Look at that drop spindle I have. Actually found this shell on the beach, and it fits my drop spindle. So instead of just laying on the beach, I thought I'm gonna drop spindle a bit and work out. So whoever feels like joining me working out while drop spindling, I would be so happy if you would. So let's do it. Legs, legs. Feet apart, like facing outwards. Feet facing outwards. And then hold this for a minute. I do hope I don't drop my spindle into the sand. Now come together a little closer with your legs, feet facing forwards. Go down, like you would go on a potty. Hold it for a minute. Try to have straight back. Hold it. My spindle is all tangled here. All right. It's not easy. Keep holding, holding. You're almost finished. All right, go sideways, feet facing forwards. Go down and hold. Hold it, hold it. Now get up and go down with stretched leg in the back, feet facing forward. It's also a nice stretch in your calves. Now face forward and tilt to the side. Feet apart, feet wide apart, so you have like a 90 degrees angle almost here. If it's too hard, you can go up a little. Just keep this leg engaged. Now turn to the other side. Same thing on the other side. Get up. Keep the back leg stretched now. Feet to the front. Nice stretch again in the calf. Now go up and to the other side. Feet wide apart. Here you can also try to engage your butt a little. Squeeze it. Feel it yet? And up. So let's go to the tippy toes. Hold the tippy toes for 1 minute, as high as you can. It's not easy on the sand and the wind. Keep it in the core. If you engage your core, you find your balance better. Woo. All right, let's do another hold. Wide feet, feet apart. That seems easy compared to the other ones, doesn't it? Could keep this forever. Should we do one more? One more? All right, last one. Put your feet together, or not quite, apart comfortably. Feet to the front, and sit. Sit down. Hold it, hold it, hold it, almost finished. Hold it, hold it. Breathe. Breathe. And up. Whew. All right, let's do some stretching. If you don't feel this, you can lean forward a bit. Pull your heel to your butt. And the other side. You can also hold yourself at a chair or a bench or whatever you have around to stabilize yourself. And that's it. Bravo. Now let's look at this. That's my rice dye mixed in with some white fiber. Silk, mohair, and merino.